Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today I'll guide you on how to adjust the trackpad sensitivity on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So normally if your trackpad feels too fast or too slow or it's not responding the way you like, this quick guide will help you fix that easily. So first of all, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen. And now choose System Settings. And now look for Trackpad and click on it. You can search it here. Trackpad. And on the Point and Click tab, normally you can adjust the tracking speed. This controls how fast your pointer moves when you drag your finger across the trackpad. Move the slider left to make it slower or move it right to make it faster. Try moving the slider a little at a time, then test the pointer speed to find what feels comfortable for you. On the other hand, if you are having sensitivity issues with clicking, you can also adjust the click pressure if your MacBook supports Force Touch. So that's all about the guide on how to adjust the trackpad sensitivity on your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.